We, Guangzhou JOVA Display Furniture manufacturer, established in 2003 and started foreign business in 2013. JOVA Furniture, located in Guangzhou City, China, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, manufacture, and service of custom shop furniture, stock displays, commercial furniture, mall kiosks, jewelry showcases. JOVA Display Furniture offers 3D interior design, custom shop furniture, in-store service. We have many years experiences in display furniture. We can supply custom display furniture for jewelry, watch, optical, cosmetic, clothes, shoes, salon, museum, hotel, brand chain stores. We have following workshops: carpentry workshop, polishing workshop, fully enclosed dust-free paint workshop, hardware workshop, glass workshop, acrylic workshop, assembly workshop, warehouse, office, and showroom. Our quality inspectors will ensure that all your shop furniture are perfect. We can install the display cabinets on site for stores in China. We're dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced sales are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our custom shop furniture are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as the North America, Australia, Middle East, Europe, Africa, and Asia. Whether you open new shops or store renovation, one shop, chain stores, full shopping mall, JOVA Furniture can meet your requirements. See the projects we made before and tell us your inquiry. JOVA Display Furniture will meet your pleasant service. Welcome to visit our factory at Guangzhou, China.
Hello everyone, welcome to JOVA Display. We have experienced the millions of shop decorations until now. JOVA supports customized furniture for shopping malls, street shops, and hotels. We offer all-in-one service from 3D design, manufacture, delivery, installation, and after-sales service. Inquire now. Thank you.